All right, I'm going to show you a handful of potential solutions if you can't hear the other person during a phone call on your Android phone. The first thing I check is the earpiece volume. You'll notice that when I use the physical volume buttons on my phone right now, they're changing the media volume, and that's actually different from the volume that controls phone calls. If I call someone and then use those same volume buttons while I'm actively on a phone call, you'll see the phone switches over to adjusting the call volume instead. So, if you can't hear the other person, make sure you turn the volume up while you're actively on a call. Another thing you can try during the phone call is turning on the speaker. If you can hear the other person just fine through the speaker, that tells us the issue is with the earpiece itself and not so much with the phone call or your cellular connection. Another thing we can try is turning off Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the quick settings. On some phones, you'll need to swipe down twice to reveal the full panel. And if Bluetooth is turned on, go ahead and disable it. Sometimes your phone might be sending the call audio to a pair of wireless earbuds, a smartwatch, or even your car if it's still connected. If turning Bluetooth off fixes the issue, that means the audio was being routed to another device instead of the earpiece on your phone. Another thing we can check is the accessibility audio settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility. From there, go to Hearing Enhancements. On some Android phones, this section might be under Audio instead. Every Android phone has slightly different menus. Here, make sure the Mute All Sounds option is turned off. Pretty crucial setting because if it's enabled, your phone will, you guessed it, mute all sounds. Who would have thought, right? You might also see an audio balance slider like this in the accessibility settings. It's designed to balance the sound between your left and right ear. Can be useful if you're using headphones, but if you don't need special balance for your ears, it's good to keep this in the center to make sure things sound normal and balanced. Another thing we can try is clearing the cache for the phone app. So we'll go to Settings, then scroll down to Apps, and from the list of apps, you're going to scroll down and find the phone app. Once you find it, you'll tap into that, go to the Storage section, and from there we can clear the cache. Clearing the cache won't delete any of your data, but sometimes it can fix temporary issues with the phone app and the way it handles call audio. Another thing you could try, starting your phone in safe mode. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner again. Swipe down a second time if needed, and then tap the power button. The power button will be either on the top or the bottom, depending on your phone model. When the power menu appears, press and hold either the restart or power off option instead of just tapping it. After you long press it, you'll then get a prompt asking if you'd like to restart your phone in safe mode. Go ahead and restart in safe mode. Once your phone boots into safe mode, all third-party apps will be temporarily disabled, and only the built-in system apps will be running. If your call audio works normally while you're in safe mode, that usually means a third-party app, like a call recording app or another app that's accessing your microphone or audio, is causing the problem. Uninstall any apps like that, and you should be good. To exit safe mode, simply restart your phone normally, and it'll boot back into its usual state. Lastly, there are a few hardware checks you'll want to do if nothing else has worked so far. First, if you have one, remove any bulky phone case or screen protector. Sometimes a poorly aligned screen protector or a thick case can partially block the earpiece and make calls sound very quiet. Next, gently clean the earpiece. If you look closely at the tiny speaker grill on the top edge of your phone, that's where the earpiece is located. You can carefully clean it using a soft toothbrush, a wooden toothpick, or a can of compressed air from a short distance away to remove any dust or pocket lint. Just avoid using anything metal or pressing too hard because you could damage the earpiece. If your phone was recently exposed to water, moisture could also be muffling the speaker. Remove any protective case and let the phone dry thoroughly. You can also try one of those Fix My Speaker apps. If you go to the Play Store and search for Fix My Speaker, you'll find apps that are designed just for that. They play specific sound frequencies through your speakers, which can sometimes help push trapped water out of the speaker openings. Anyways, those are the steps I'd take to fix earpiece issues on an Android phone. Let me know how it goes and subscribe for more. Thanks all.